Trip Friday. Where are we going, guys? Do you remember? The Botanical Gardens. The State Botanical Gardens. Free admission, free parking, lots and lots and lots of beautiful plants. Yeah? It's gonna be fun. The goal is to go to 3 different spots up here in Athens, because that's where the State Botanical Gardens are.
We should go to the one with the insects, and then we can go to the zoo, and then we can go to the playground there.
So what he is referring to is, I follow this Instagram page. It's called OTP Mama or something like that. I will tag them below. But she is always posting all different types of things that you can do, like on the outer skirts of Atlanta. And you know I love the free skis. So she mentioned the State Botanical Gardens in Athens, and then there's something called Bear Hollow Zoo. Very small, she said. She said it's a very, very small zoo, but it's worth the trip since you're already up there in Athens. So we'll probably drop by there. I think it's like located within Memorial Park up there in Athens, something like that. Google it. And then there is one more place called Sandy Creek. In a minute. One more place called Sandy Creek Nature Center, which looks awesome. They have all different types of reptiles. They have some turtles. Yeah, it looks really cool. They have like a little play area where they can pretend to like garden and stuff like that. But anyway, this vlog may be a vlog all on its own. I'm not entirely sure, but if it is, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy. An ice cream sandwich. But yeah, we're going to spend the day in Athens. We're going to have lunch up there and then mosey on back down to our side of town. But anyway, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And comment, like, what kind of things do you guys enjoy doing with your family, or even by yourself, or with your friends, or whatever? What kind of stuff do y'all like to get into? Because me, I like going out in nature. I like going to amusement parks. Isaiah, what you like to do?
I like to go to the aquarium.
You like to go to the aquarium?
No, I like going to the play area.
Oh, he likes going to play areas. Amar, what you like doing?
Play area.
Amar likes play areas. Malachi, what you like doing?
Don't forget Uber. And don't forget Pikachu. Uber's favorite is the zoo. Pikachu.
You like going to the zoo? I was about to miss where I was supposed to be at. But anywho,
Pikachu said that he likes the place where there's toys.
I definitely turned too soon, but that's all right. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I'm gonna hop off of here so I can figure out where I'm going, because I've never been here before and I don't want to miss another exit. So yeah, enjoy. Stop and look both ways. No cars. Safe to go. we have made it to the gardens. It's really peaceful out here. Look, it's something hanging. Watch out.
Why?
What do you mean, why? So don't get on you.
I think it's a firework.
Could be.
Yeah.
But this stabilizer is like
Which way
all over the place.
We go
Let's do it.
that way. I mean,
Well,
this way.
yeah, I already said this way, so let's go. Yeah, so we're really trying to find the children's garden. That's what they really care for, but
What?
my camera did something crazy. Okay, that's better. I don't know what just happened, but
Where should we
anywho,
go now?
to the right.
This way. Let's go. Oh, that's an angry ant, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's go that way.
Mm-hmm. A bee said, "Buzz," right into my ear. Not into my ear, but right by my ear. We went at a good time, too, because the sun is just not coming up, so it's not, like, beaming hot.
Should we keep going this way or go down there?
We can't, because that is blocked off. We can keep coming this way.
But why is it blocked?
I don't know. I don't ask those questions. I just don't go.
Oh. Mommy, we're leading back to that place. Where are you? Go back to that place. Whoa. Mommy. It's the forms again.
Yeah, we got to find the beginning so we can find the children's garden. Yes.
I don't see it.
Watch, she's going to jump around. Get a little closer, Kai. You see a jump?
No. It's so small. Why is it camouflage? I think it's camouflage.
Don't touch it, Mara. Just look. Because I don't know if it's poisonous or not. Just look.
Poison?
Yeah, I don't know. So don't touch it. Just look. Look, the xylophone, guys. On the bench. It's a xylophone bench. She's right there. Get in it. It does look like a Pokeball. This looks cool.
Mine, do you know how we got out?
Came out the other side?
To get into the mine. Because the mine is about to collapse. And we go out. Let's do. Stop.
Look, check that area out over there. Remember, we don't go up the slide. You see, this says from seeds, soil, roots, food.
Food?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool. Soil, can we go up there?
Go ahead. Can you climb up it? No, we gotta go under. Go inside. Oh, wait, Mara. There's a little bumblebee in there. It's at the top.
It's at the top.
Maybe we can go this way. Oh. What do you see, Isaiah? There.
Mommy, ever played Little Red?
All right, walk across the bridge. This is kind of crazy. Pump it, lift it up and down. Lift it up, lift the handle up. What's what for? I don't know. Alright, let Amara try. Let Amara try. Oh gosh. Come on, guys. Let's go down the tunnel.
A butterfly!
We have some watering cans. Would you guys want to help us water some of our plants really quick?
What? Let's wait right here so she can hand us some watering cans. It's so cool.
Oh, so this is...
Watch out, Zaya.
That's to add water into the wall. Push! Now?
No, I won't do it yet. You guys want to pick out a watering can, use the pump to fill it with water, and then you can water any of the plants that you want.
Wow.
Once you're all done watering, you can just put the can right back in here, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, thank y'all. Thanks for being here.
Let me pump it so you guys can fill it.
Aww.
You want to pump it then? Here, you pump for Isaiah. Slowly, Mama. You can water any of the plants. Let me pump it for you. How cool. Water any of them. Come on, Mama.
Oh, wow.
Kale. I knew I smelled kale.
Oh, yummy. Splash! Splash! That one. It's on the flower. Gathering nectar in its clay. Oh my!
I wonder where it leads to. Wow. Looks like a secret clubhouse. Let's climb up. Oh, it goes all the way up. Come on, Kai Kai. Go, can you climb? Amar, can you help your brother go up?
Cool.
Keep going.
Yeah, that's
Keep going. Keep going.
Are they going up?
Yep.
Okay.
Go all the way up.
Right behind you.
Lord, it's a tight squeeze. Wow. It is a little nerve-wracking, but this is kind of cool. Ah!
It looks like a spider web.
No jumping, Amar. No jumping. Climb down safely. No jumping. It's just a mat. It's not gonna burn you. Yeah, I got your hand.
Can I go down there?
We're gonna go down the slide.
Whoa.
I got you.
Thanks. Whoa. Oh. And when it went down,
Now, if you can go up the tree or you can go up that ramp, whichever way. Whichever way. Don't fall in.
And it's very deep down. Oh, that's right.
Yeah, it could be. I don't know. You can't see the bottom.
That's because it's flat.
Elevator, dance party commence. And we're here. Alright, we just finished our excursion at the State Botanical Gardens. It is hot, but we had fun, but we did not actually see everything. This place is so massive, like, yeah, this is like a trip in its own. So we have decided that the next time we come, we're going to go to the Bear Hollow Zoo, but this time we're going to go to the Sandy Creek Nature Center after we get some lunch.
We're gonna go. But isn't that type of place here?
No, actually, this is in Sandy Creek Nature Center is in another place. But we got to get lunch first.
So we're going to go to Fremont. East, north, south, west. Wait, are we going to go across that bridge?
No.
Are we going to go across?
No, we got to get out of here so we can go and get some food. Did you guys enjoy yourselves?
And I know we cars can go on bridges, right?
Yeah. Bridges that are meant for cars. But,
That other bridge is meant for humans.
yeah, it's meant for humans to walk across.
Because our car is way too big to fit.
Yep. So, Malachi. What was your favorite part? I said Malachi, baby.
A plant.
Watering the plants. That was pretty cool.
My favorite place is the painting one.
When you were painting the wall with the water? And what about you, Amar? What was your favorite?
And my other favorite is tree.
Isaiah. Say it again, Mara.
That big tree.
Isaiah. Stop it. Stop it. That's rude. Okay, Amara, what was your favorite?
The big tree.
The big tree? Yeah. I would have to say that was my favorite too. Isaiah, what was your second favorite?
The sandbox.
The sandbox? Even though we didn't really get to
My
play.
second favorite is the sandbox. Maybe one day we should bring our sand.
I guess. I didn't see nothing that said we couldn't, so maybe. But all right, let's go and find this place so we can get us something to eat, and then we can move on to our next destination.
Was it?
Probably metal.
But they don't actually move.
No. Look, there's a car. Let's stop right here. Come on. 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 Grab your brother's hand. There's a nature playscape outside apparently. But we're gonna start inside.
Mommy, he's playing with us.
Look, this is a tic-tac-toe and checkers. When we come out, we can. When we come out. Where should we look first? Y'all want to go over there and see the wetlands?
Like your house, you're gonna have a tank of this fish and that turtle and the prawns for you.
Wow.
It's really,
I like these.
These are some freshwater fish. This is so cool. Oh, there is a turtle up there. Look at this.
I see from here.
You see the turtle?
Look over here. My, what if we had a pet turtle? He's sticking his head out of the water.
Huh? He looks so cool.
Let's see some more.
This is amazing. Wait, look. What's over here? Can you see anything in here? It's a frog.
I can't see. Look,
He's hiding behind this leaf.
I see him. And he has big butt. Oh, he looks so cute.
What's down there? Anything down there?
No.
No.
You can't see it.
Yeah.
Look at the other side over
Can you see the froggy guys?
I can see the turtle from here.
You can see the turtle from here?
Wow.
This is so cool.
And like, all those fish that are in there is a big boat. Mommy,
What's over here?
Angry.
What's over here? Look, guys, look. This looks like a cat. Look at the big turtle.
Why?
It looks like a catfish. This is actually a sea turtle, so I'm not sure if it's going to be a catfish or not.
Mommy, that's a hard shell.
That is a loggerhead sea turtle up there.
What's this?
Okay, hold on. Is there anything over here? Oh, I thought that was real. I thought this was real.
If it was.
What's this? No, I don't see anything in there. This is so cool. Oh, this is all about composting. How did we forget this? This is all about composting. So I think these drawers open up. What's in the middle? Wait, what's at the top? Up top are worms, centipedes, then these little smaller creatures, and then, oh, watch out.
Mommy, there's something up there.
Earthworms.
Let's go over there.
Okay.
And let's some.
I think this is all about energy. So it says flip the switch to choose a light bulb. You want the LED or iridescent?
Iridescent.
So look, this is an iridescent light bulb, and that is the LED light bulb. And then you gotta spin, you gotta do that really, really fast so to turn it on. This is all about electricity. And then it's gonna turn on the other one.
Can I try?
That's kind of cool. This is Name That Cloud.
Mommy, look.
It is a digger in the flower. That's from that books video. Look, there's another one over here.
No, not worse.
Calm down. That one smells good.
Yeah. My, that one smells good. That one smells good.
Don't put your nose on it. The skunk one doesn't smell that bad, Isaiah. We're gonna go around, Jose. We're gonna go around. It's a big loop. Right.
It's something that
That might be another.
Here.
That might be another puppet.
But I think no one took it out.
Or it belongs over here. I don't know. These are. Oh, it's kind of like what's under the soil. Cause up there we're like underground. Look up here. It's a turkey.
I can't see.
You gotta come right here so you can see.
I see it.
That's kind of cool. I'm gonna squeeze this first one. What does it smell like? No, what is it? What does it smell like? Tell me what you think it is.
It smells like just air.
It smells like hair?
Air.
Air? Let me see. I don't know what that is.
I think we have to.
That smells like powder. They all smell the same. It says, how do the things you eat get from the farm to your table? Trace the paths of 3 common Georgia farm products.
Hey. I think it's this. Hey. Okay.
I think you were probably close, but I would assume, look baby, I think it goes like this because they're being transported. So you get them from here, they transport, boom, and then boom. Of them, the good guys and then the bad guys. Leaf hoppers, Japanese beetles, and aphids are bad guys, and the good guys are honeybees, ladybugs, praying mantises, hoverflies,
But what are
assassin bugs, and lacewigs. Yep, he's right there.
I can't see.
You can't see him yet?
I can't see him.
I can see him. Okay. That's a timber rattlesnake.
I see pictures of it. there.
You gotta press continue? What is it? What are you scanning? Pizza?
Is it just a toy?
Yes, it's just a toy. And it's made from food.
Everything.
Not everything. Press continue first. What does that one smell like? Look, y'all can go inside the tree. Come inside the tree and see what the squirrels see.
Look up there.
Oh, look. Look up. And a beehive. And look, an owl.
I can't see.
You gotta come back a little bit.
I can see it already. Oh, go down to the skunk one.
Slide down. Go slide down. You don't want to slide? Okay. Look at that. You just feel like walking? Understandable. I'm going to slide down. Not really. Whoa. That's actually kind of fun.
Oh. What's this?
I gotta do it again. I don't think you can go that way. We'll go one after the other. There you go.
That was actually very fun.
Ready?
Did you like it?
Watch out, here I come.
You guys are what? You got burned on the butt?
No, it stopped me abruptly.
I'm getting my down. If you want to turn, you know,
All right, guys, that concludes our excursion for the day. Most likely this will be a video all on its own because we got a lot of footage. But thanks so much for tuning in. I think I'm gonna try to make this like a series, like free things to do in Georgia, free family things to do, free kid related activities, whatever. We'll figure out a name. But yeah, we're probably gonna make this a series.
There's a type of beetle.
Oh wow. Good looking out. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Toodles. What? Come back in. You hurt yourself? You okay?
It didn't hurt me.
Careful.
It's been scratching on me.
It's a lizard.
Where is it?
Oh! I got it on video.
But now I did. Oh my gosh, there's a wasp right there.
And there is a turtle right there.
Okay. Hey, go on the test. Well, I can't reach it.
We're not going to touch it. We're just going to look at it. Did you see the turtle, Mara?
I didn't. We're turtle kind of fast. A little.
She looks a little fast, though, doesn't she? She's moving.
I don't know if it's a flying turtle.
Wait, is that a cactus?